In this video, we are going to go over the external and internal anatomy of a dicotyledon stem. The dicot stem is long and branched and often woody, but can also be herbaceous. The stem extends up from the ground in a series of nodes and internodes, culminating in the terminal bud at the shoot apex where the shoot meristem is found. From each node, a leaf, flower, or new smaller branch can form. Because of this, you can find flower and leaf buds as well as small branches running along the stem. Along the branching out branches of the stem, the same node and internode arrangement occurs. They also have their own shoot meristem at the apex of the branch. Within the stem, like in all other plant organs, there are three types of tissue: dermal tissue, ground tissue, and vascular tissue. If we take a cross-section through the stem, we will find the outer layer consists of the epidermis, which is the dermal tissue. The epidermis consists of the outer cuticle layer that acts in protecting the stem and can possess epidermal hairs or outgrowths called trichomes. The ground tissue within the stem is separated into the cortex and the pith. The cortex region consists of the hypodermis, the cortex, and the endodermis. The hypodermis is made up of collenchyma cells and function in providing structural support in the stem. The next layer in, the general cortex, is made up of parenchyma, which functions in storing nutrients. The innermost layer of the cortex is the endodermis. The endodermis sometimes contains starch grains and as such is sometimes referred to as the starch sheath. The next layer is the Peri Cycle. The Peri Cycle separates the cortex from the vascular bundles and pith. The vascular tissue is made up of a ring of vascular bundles. These vascular bundles are considered open, as the phloem and xylem within are separated by the vascular cambium. They are also considered collateral, as the phloem is found exterior to the xylem. The xylem is involved in the transport of water from the roots to the stems, whilst the phloem is involved in the movement of the food products made in the leaves down through the rest of the plant. Secondary growth occurs from the cambium. Separating the vascular bundles are the medullary rays, which transport water and nutrients from the center to the periphery. In from this is the central pith. The pith is made up of loosely packed parenchyma, which function in storing nutrients. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos.